Goa Lifestyle Properties. Call 8830-116167 to buy or sell.
Welcome to Porvorim, North Goa, a neighborhood where modern luxury meets timeless charm, and today, Goa Lifestyle Properties brings you something truly special. A villa that isn't just a home, but a lifestyle waiting to be embraced. Set within an exclusive gated community, this independent 4 BHK plus villa stands tall on a generous 514 square meter plot. With a superb built-up area of nearly 600 square meters, it offers the perfect blend of space, privacy, and elegance. Step inside and you're greeted by a world of sophistication. A modular kitchen fitted with high-end electronics, spacious living areas designed for comfort, and interiors that reflect both style and functionality. Every mansion here comes with its own private elevator, because convenience should never be compromised. And for those who value wellness, a dedicated gym and yoga room ensure your mornings begin with energy and balance. This community isn't just about homes, it's about experiences. A kids' park and play area for little ones, landscaped gardens for evening strolls, and even a mini golf course for leisurely weekends. Imagine hosting friends by your private swimming pool with a barbecue sizzling nearby, or accommodating guests in the on-site 2-bedroom guest house designed exclusively for residence visitors. Every detail here has been thought through to elevate your lifestyle. And while luxury is the highlight, practicality is never overlooked. With 24/7 water supply, waste management systems, and 100% power backup, you enjoy uninterrupted comfort every single day. This villa is ready for immediate occupancy with free maintenance assured till December 2029. It's more than a property. It's peace of mind, it's convenience, it's the Goa lifestyle you've always dreamed of. So, if you're ready to make Porvorim your home and step into a life of unmatched luxury, Goa Lifestyle Properties invites you to take the next step. Because opportunities like this don't wait, and neither should you.
Goa Lifestyle Properties. Call 8830 116167 to buy or sell.